those days, the penal days, when Ireland hopelessly complained. Oh, weep those days, the penal days, when godless persecution reigned. When years by year for serf and peer, fresh cruelties were made by law, and filled with hate our Senate sate, to weld anew each fetter's flaw. Oh, weep those days, those penal days, their memories still on Ireland ways. They bribed the flock, they bribed the son, to sell the priest and rob the sire. Their dogs were taught alike to run upon the scent of wolf and friar. Among the poor or on the moor were hid the pious and the true, while traitor, knave, and recreant slave had riches, rank, and retinue. And exiled in those penal days, our banners over Europe blaze. A stranger held the land and tower of many a noble fugitive. No popish lord had lordly power, the peasants scarce had leave to live. Above his head a ruined shed, no tenure but a tyrant's will. Forbid to plead, forbid to read, disarmed, disfranchised imbecile. What wonder if our step betrays the freedman born in penal days? They're gone, those penal days. All creeds are equal in our ire. Then grant, O Lord, thy plenteous grace, our ancient feuds to reconcile. Let all atone for blood and wrong, for dark revenge and open wrong. Let all unite for Ireland's right, and drown our griefs in freedom's song. Till time shall veil in twilight haze the memory of those penal days.